Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now look at the board. आज हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? Concept of addition. Addition पढ़ेंगे. But you know what's the meaning of addition? Addition mean plus, मतलब more. Okay, now let's see what is this. It is a pencil. What is this? It is a pencil. Now how many pencil? 1 2. How many pencil? 2 pencil. Now add one more. Now count these pencils. 1 2 3. Now how many pencils? 1 2 3. Add one more. Again count the pencils. How many pencils are there? 1 2 3. How many pencils? 3 pencils. Add 1 and 2. Add 2 more. Now count how many pencils are there? Count together. 1 2 3 4 5. Add 2 more. तो कितने हो जाएंगे ये? 5. 3 + 2 = 5. कितने हमने जमा प्लस करें इसके अंदर? 2 more.